Congress Overseas President Sam Pitroda has decided to resign from his post on his own accord after his racist remarks on Indians. Senior Congress leader Jairam Ramesh took to Twitter to announce that the Congress president accepted Pitroda's resignation. Even though the Congress party distanced itself from Pitroda's racist remarks yesterday, BJP leaders including Prime Minister Modi did not hold back from hitting out at the Grand Old Party for harbouring people with such ideology. Pitroda sparked a political slugfest once again, this time with his remarks on how Indians lived together unitedly in the last 75 years because Congress held the country together with so much diversity. He elaborated on the differences and saying if people in the East look like Chinese, people in the West look like Arabs, and people in South look like Africans. Anand Singh is joining us for more on this story. Anand, after Pitroda's comments caused a stir yet again, he has now stepped down from his post.
Soon after his comments went viral on the social media, and several of the opposition leaders also distancing from his comments what he said about the lookout of the people of the country from different regions. So this didn't went well for many of the opposition parties, and even Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who was addressing a public meeting in Telangana, he said how angry he was with the comments of Sam Pitroda, who had targeted the people of the country by distinguishing themselves on the color of their skin. So after the furor view on Sam Pitroda's comment, and Congress was pushed on the back foot as it also has to distance itself from the remarks made by Sam.
All right, more political reactions now coming in on Sam Pitroda's remarks and resignations.
सैम पिट्रोडा ने गांधी परिवार के घिनौने चेहरे पर पर्दाफाश किया है। पहले कांग्रेस पार्टी धर्म और जाति के आधार पर देश को बांटती थी। आज आप किस भारत के भूभाग से हैं उसके आधार पर अपमानित करने की कांग्रेस पार्टी की जो मंशा है उसको उजागर किया है। अब तक गांधी परिवार ने उनके इस कथन का ना खंडन किया, विशेषतः पाकिस्तान ने भी जो हमारे देश के चुनाव में हस्तक्षेप करने का दुस्साहस किया, पाकिस्तान के समर्थन को भी अब तक गांधी परिवार ने ठुकराया नहीं। देखिए, वो जीवन भर गांधी परिवार के सलाहकार रहे। सलाह कोई पत्र देकर नहीं करता, जीवन भर साथ रहकर करता है। वो स्वयं उनको अंकल कहते हैं। अंकल कहते हैं तो मतलब रिश्ता है ना, रिश्ता कहाँ तोड़ा गांधी परिवार ने अब तक उनसे।
ये कांग्रेस की सोची समझी रणनीति होता है, देश को अपमान करना, मोदी जी को अपमान करना। सैम पित्रोदा ने देश को अपमानित किया, मोदी जी को अपमानित किया, और जब देश इस पर आक्रोशित होता है तब ये हटाते हैं। इसमें तो राहुल गांधी, सोनिया गांधी को माफ।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.